Good morning, first PC students. Today, let us go to the 5 marks graphs, 5 marks questions. Compulsory 100% it comes in your examination. 5 marks graphs. So, how to asking the graphs in examination? First question. First one, define identity function. Define identity function. Definition and draw the graph of identity function. Draw the graph of identity function. Write domain and range. Write domain and range of the function. This is the problem. Define identity function. First definition, identity function definition, 1 mark. Domain range, domain 1 mark, range 1 mark. Totally in 5 marks question, definition 1 mark, domain 1 mark, range 1 mark, 3 marks, plus graph 2 marks. Okay. Graph is, don't use any graph paper, only direct to write in examination booklet. ಬುಕ್ಲೆಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿ ದಿ set of real numbers. R means what? Real numbers. R is nothing but real number. So, full stop. Define the real valued function. Define the real valued function. Real valued function. F from R to R. Define real valued function f from R to R. F from R to R. By y is equal to f of x is equal to xo. Y is equal to f of x is equal to xo for each x belongs to R. For each x belongs to R. Such a function, full stop. Such a function is called the identity function. Okay, next domain R, range R, domain R, range R. Domain range is nothing but real number or subset of real number. Okay, all functions range domain is not R. Some functions are, some functions subset of R. Subset of R means 1 is a subset of R, minus 1 is a subset of R, 1 to 10 numbers is subset of R, 1 to 100 is a subset of R, all negative numbers is subset of R, all positive numbers is subset of R. So, subset, subset, single element, double element, triple element, all are itself also. Okay, 3 marks. like a graph. What is the function? Identity function means f of x is equal to xo. This is main point. This is f of x is equal to x. Main one, 1, 2, 3, 3 marks. This is normally R be the set of real numbers. Define the real valued function f from R to R, f from R to R by y is equal to or f of x is equal to x. So for each x belongs to R, such a function is called the identity function. Simple. Okay. Range or domain R. So identity function nothing but xo. For example, x is equal to 1 means f of 1 also 1. X is equal to 2 means f of 2 also 2. F is equal to 3 means f of 3 equal to 3. And same identity function means same value. You have to take any value, that answer is also same value. This is the function. So first in the box x f of x. X is equal to 1 means what is the f of x is equal to what? X and x value. Next f of x is equal to what? 1. So x is equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to what? 1. So this is y and what? Y is equal to f of x is equal to. For example, x is equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to 1. So okay, you know, understand? F of x is equal to x square plus 1. F of x is equal to x square plus 1. F of 1 is equal to what? 1 square plus 1. 1 square plus 1 is equal to 2. Same. Okay. Next x is equal to 2. So f of 2 is also 2. X is equal to 3, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 5, and so on. There is no limit and so on. Real number is what? Minus infinity to plus infinity. So you have to take your own interest. You want to take some more 10, 15 numbers also. Okay. So understand? This is main one. So what is the order pair? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So graph. Negative values also minus. So minus 1, f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 5. This is table. Next graph. Okay, first zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So in the graph paper is the distance between the any two numbers equal distance, 10 small boxes. Okay, you have to draw in graph paper also, but in examination there is no graph paper. Okay, so 1, this is x axis, y axis, x values, all x values taken on the x axis, y means y values, all y values taken in the y axis. Okay, 1, 1. Next 2, 2, x2, y is also 2, nearly 2. Next 3, 4 4 5 5. Next 0, this is main important. 0 means 0. Okay, next 0 0 means 0. Minus 1, no, minus 1, no. Minus 2, minus 2. Minus 3, minus 3. Minus 4, minus 4. Minus 5, minus 5. You have to draw by using the scale. This is my in graph paper is neatly will come. This is one cross line passing through the origin. This is strictly is line is strictly. Okay, there is no any bends. Okay, this is the graph. Okay, by using the scale and graph paper, on the graph paper the line is correctly will become correctly. So you have to use graph paper. Okay, no problem. Okay, this is the next one. Okay, next one is constant function. Define a function f from R to R by y is equal to f of x is equal to c, x belongs to R. Function defined from f from R to R. All functions defined from f from R to R. What is the constant function? Identity function is equal to f of x is equal to x. Constant function. Constant is nothing but sthira. So f of x is equal to c. X belongs to R. Where c is a constant. Where c is a constant. Where c is a constant. So domain equal to RO. Range means you have to take any value, x value. You have to take any x value. You get result is C. Only C. F of 1 equal to C. F of 2 C. F of 3 C. F of 100 C. You have to take any x value. We get the answer is C. So range is R. Range is C. Only single element. C. Range is C. So graph first table. F of x is equal to C means C belongs to R. C belongs to R. So what is C? 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or? You don't know C value. Okay. So f of x is equal, for example f of x is equal to constant, f of x is equal to 2 graph. Okay, now we have to draw the graph of the constant function. The constant value is 2. Okay? F of x is equal to c. C is means real number 1, 2, 3, don't know. Okay, so fixed value, you have to take fixed value. F of x is equal to r 3, your own interest. So x, f of x is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 2 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4 up to 4, for example. So x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 means f of minus 4 also 2. Okay, f of minus 4 also 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, because there is no another value. For example, f of x is equal to 3 graph. So all values of f of x is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. So graph. What is the graph? First listen. Once again, f of, for example, f of x is equal to x square plus 1. F of 1 is equal to what? 1 square plus 1 is equal to 2. So at the same way, f of x is equal to 2 means f of 1 is also 2, f of 2 is also 2, f of 10 2, f of 20 2. 2 is not a variable. Variable means you have to apply the x value, we get another value, any answer. So f of x is a constant, there is no variable, constant. So any of f of x is same 2. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 0, 0 means 2. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 4, 4. Okay, draw the line by using the scale. Okay. So this is x-axis, so y-axis. Okay, next one. Next one, important one, modules function. Modules function. The function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to mod x for each x belongs to Rho. This is the definition, modulus function. The symbol of modulus function is, this is modulus function, f of x is equal to mod x for each x belongs to R is called modules function. Is called modulus function. That is, f of x is equal to x, x greater than 0, f of x is equal to x if mod x less than 0. Meaning, mod means positive, always positive. For example, mod of minus 1 is equal to 1, no. Mod of minus 3 is equal to 3. Mod of 3 also 3. The x values is negative or positive, but mod x value is always positive. Meaning of mod x. What is the meaning of mod x? Mod of negative value is equal to positive. Mod of positive is equal to positive. Okay. Okay, anyone, negative or positive. X value different, but mod x value same. All are positive. This is the modulus function. Domain equal to Rho. Range equal to what? Range means what? All positive numbers, positive real numbers equal to positive real numbers. All are positive real numbers. Positive equal to positive real numbers. Positive real number. Or simply closed interval 0 to infinity. Plus infinity, minus infinity are always open interval. 0 also. Mod 0 equal to 0. 0 to infinity means only positive numbers. Okay. Graph, draw the graph. First table. X, f of x is equal to mod x minus 4, mod of minus 4 is equal to 4, minus 3 is also 3, mod of minus 3 is equal to 3, minus 2, mod of minus 2 equal to 2, minus 1, mod of minus 1 is equal to 1, 0, 0. Mod of 1 is equal to 1. Mod of 2 is equal to 2. Mod of 3 is equal to 3. Mod of 4 is equal to 4. Mod of 5 is equal to 5. So this is it. So negative, mod of negative value or positive value, both are equal to positive. The x value is different, negative or positive x, but mod x is always positive. So mod of minus 4 is equal to the mod of 4. Mod of minus 4 is equal to the mod of 4. So this is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mod x graph. Okay. Okay, domain or range all positive numbers. Positive numbers means 0 to infinity. All negative numbers means with 0 minus infinity to 0. Graph. X axis, y axis. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Mod of 0, 0. Mod of 1, 1. Mod of 2, 2. Mod of 3, 3. Mod of 4, 4. Next, mod of minus 1, 1. Mod of minus 2, 2. Mod of minus 3, 3. Mod of minus 4, 4. This is the shape of V. V shape. Shapes is enough. This is V shape. Okay. You have to draw correctly, neatly by using the scale. This is V, exactly V. Okay. Next to signum function, step-x function, polynomial function, 3 functions are there. Okay, tomorrow I will continue the next one. No? What is next one? Signum function. Signum function. Okay. The function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to minus 1, 0, 1. Minus 1, 0, 1. If x less than 0, if x is equal to 0, if x greater than 0. or what is the signum function? Step x by x. Okay, so continue tomorrow. Thank you.